Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wow, I took a 5-day hiatus and I've kind of been incognito on my videos, but I'm back. And yeah, just my schedule has just been all over the place. And I was thinking, since it's getting close to Valentine's, that I will start on my Valentine's Day projects. And today's probably going to be a simple video if I don't complicate it. And these are going to be some simple, probably just straight pours, maybe some ribbon effects. But I have 3 different cups, I almost call them flavors, that I'm going to use. And this one, I believe, has purple, hot pink, and red, because I wanted to see what it would be like not to use white or black. Because I think in everything that I've ever done, that's what I've used, white and black. I'll zoom in just a little bit. I hope everybody has enjoyed themselves. So let's get started. And I think I used way too much paint. Yeah, I can already tell. I used way too much paint for something so little, but hey, it might come out pretty cool. These are just little stars. I think they're like 2-inch stars from the Hobby of the Lobby. I just know from previous experience from pouring on wood objects that you definitely have to get these parts kind of like we touch up our canvases, because then it just kind of works around it. And I think I'm going to mess with those in a minute. I'm going to let it try to spread out by itself. So that was pretty cool. This one has ultramarine, dioxazine purple, and pink bubblegum, and white. This one I think I'm going to do circular. That's pretty. Cool. Yeah, how about that? And then for this one, this one has hot pink, my fave, crimson red, and just red. Oh, and white. So let's see, this shouldn't be too hard. I said that it wasn't going to be a complicating video, but look at where we're at. Decisions. Maybe I will just do one of these pours. Just a straight pour. Actually, I changed my mind. Just gonna go up and over. Like so. Because that is looking pretty cool. I don't know if it's because my hand's shaking or not, but I'm pretty sure it's just because that's how the paint's going. Flying out of the cup. Ooh, I like this one. I like that hot pink. A little bit more. Yeah, because the bottom of these, there we go. That's pretty cool. Excuse my reach. All right. Now, let's fix these up. I'm not quite sure if I need to dump some paint off. You know what? I don't think I do. Check that one out. Wow. If I can get into any angle. That's pretty neat. It's kind of, correct me if I'm wrong, but kind of ribbony. This part right here is bothering me. That just kind of bare white area. And oh man, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put some photo paper or some parchment paper down on the bottom, because those made killer designs down there that I could have used for skins. But I really want to get that white piece off. Too much. All right. Got a better idea? We had some left over. Hold on. There. Looks a little better to me. Now this one, ooh la la. This one right here. I really like that one. Yes, yes, yes. See if I could bring it up without messing it up. Check that out. That's pretty cool. There. All right. Let's bring you in for a close-up. All right, here we are. Again, let's try that. No flash. Ooh, flash. Wow. That's pretty neat. I like that one too. I'm definitely not a pink person, but it's that time. And I really like this one. It's pretty cool. Just those designs that it made. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I hope to be back soon. Catch you later.